Hi, I'm Jill and welcome to a new phonetic sounds video. Today the sound we're focusing on is the sound air. Air. Air is a diphthong, which means that it's two vowel sounds pushed together to make a single sound. So it's also called a sliding vowel because we slide from one vowel to another vowel, moving our mouth. So this sound air starts with the sound eh, like in elephant. So open your mouth, relax your tongue, eh, eh. So that's where the sound starts. And then it slides to the schwa sound, which is an sound. So like alarm. So it goes from eh to air, 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 air. So it's like the air we breathe. Fresh air, air. This is the sound that we're looking at. So air, the diphthong. So let's take a look at some words that have the sound air in them. Bear, bear. Fairy, fairy. Pear, pear. And of course, with this sound, as with all other sounds in English, there isn't just one way to spell this sound because spelling and pronunciation don't match in English. So let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. Okay, so let's take a look at two words that have the same sound, so they both have the air sound in them, but the words have different meanings and different spellings. These are called homophones. So let's take a look at two of these. Bear, bear. Let's take a look at another couple of words that have the same sound, but different spelling and different meanings. Hair, hair. So just looking at those words, you can see there are already three different ways to spell the sound air. But then you also have there and there and there. So we might say, they're going to park their car over there. Three different words, different spellings, same sound. So you see there are lots of different ways to spell the sound air. But let's just get back to the pronunciation. So here's a limerick to practice the sound air. There was a young lady of Clare who was sadly pursued by a bear. When she found she was tired, she abruptly expired, that unfortunate lady of Clare. I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little more about the sound air in English. I'm making videos of all the individual phonetic sounds in English, and you can find them right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. There are also lots of tongue twisters, limericks, and other ways to practice your English pronunciation. And you can find them in Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. The idea of the pronunciation gym is just like a regular gym. So you go regularly to work your English muscles and improve your English pronunciation. So head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym for a workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.